guys, welcome back to Cars Under the Clouds. I'm Jason Fox, this is Anna Fox, and we're going to go have a look at some cars. Come for a ride. I know you all want to hear this. It's all about the cold start. First stop, just down the road from us in our own subdivision. Oh, here we go. Just down the road, local mall, and we're following a beautiful 56er. It's a good sign to say there might be a couple of cars up ahead. Later on we've got all Ford Day, so this car's probably not going to be on display there. I can see a couple more sheds up ahead. There's a Mustang with a flag on it.
Oh yeah. Oh, your dad's truck's there too.
Oh well, that was that show. Wife's got us going to look at a house now, so we probably won't bring you along for that journey, and then we're going to shoot down to the All Ford Day, so follow us. Anna's got a new hat. What's in your hat, huh?
Granddad got me a new hat, so I can drive with my Mustang hat on.
Happy days. Yeah, so this morning where we took you was the Oilers Car Club. They have a bit of a meet-up. Some cool sheds there, not a lot of Fords. That's due to the fact that it's probably All Ford Day today. So that's where we're going now. Let's get over there and see what we can find.
trouble inside. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. 'Cause I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. We're going away. Get your back, check the time. Journey for life, and it's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone.
Say, hear me, baby. Hear me now. Hear me, baby. You know it's right. That's right. Ooh, that's all. That's what I say. Oh yeah.
Quite a nice sound to this, eh? Old engines. It's quiet, but it's a lot louder than our Mustang. cheers for the cruise.
That's alright, anytime.
It's all part of it. Oh. Yeah, give us a yell if you come up. Okay. Cheers, mate. Sweet. See you. Just had a bit of a cruise in Cliffs XY there around the mount. Pretty good of us to take for a roll. I'm just going to come in here, grab the Mustang and head out. Hope you enjoyed the content. It's been warm. The beauty of these modern cars over these older ones is technology and air conditioning. Okay though, so whilst we were at Ford showing and looking at cars, and it was at a baby shower. How's your baby shower?
It was the closest thing I have had to a baby shower. And I got balloons and wine, and it was great. And we had helium.
Yeah, so she's well on her way, so
Woo!
yeah, lucky us. Lucky us. Hold this.
Oh.
Oh, windows again.
Oh, I put my head on. Oh, was this my number for the show?
No, that was our number. You weren't with us.
I was there in spirit. This sleep's really burning my bum.
Why don't you have a look beside the door opener and see what you find there?
Inside the door opener.
For the garage door?
Oh, what's that? Oh, is that a key ring?
Yeah.
Oh, I was really looking for one of those. Did I win it?
No, I brought it for you.
Oh. I wished I'd won it.
Oh, sorry. I'll take it back.
No, but that's lovely. Oh, that's so cool for our key ring. That's so cool.
So that's what I'm dealing with this afternoon by the looks anyway. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll be bringing more to you very soon.